nozzle, and this is automatic. You don't need to remember to push some button. This machine works like that. Now it's brewing the coffee, and here we have another uniqueness of Saeco. There is the adjustable crema. So now you will see that moving this, I can. You see the flow of the water becomes faster and slower. So the slower is the flow, the better is the coffee in terms of aroma. So if you like a strong coffee, plenty of aroma, you have to keep the flow slower. The result becomes more crema. And here we have the cappuccino with the classical 3 layers: 1/3 of milk, 1/3 of coffee, and 1/3 of foam. Okay, this is my cappuccino. You can choose whatever you want. You can have less foam, more milk, less coffee, more coffee, less milk. You can even decide how strong you want the coffee in the cappuccino. So you can decide to have a coffee with 6 grams of coffee beans ground or 10 grams of coffee beans ground. So you can really, really create your own beverage. Okay, other 2 things. When you finish to deliver your beverage, we go back in the on position, and now there is the automatic rinsing cycle. 7 seconds of pure steam to rinse all the parts in contact with the milk. It's completely hidden, it's automatic, so the user doesn't have to have any trouble about it. Then at the end you can take it out of the carafe and put it in the fridge. That's it. And another thing, speaking about the ease of use, you have seen the multicolor icons plus text user interface, direct access to the beverage, direct access to the main menus, and for the dirty side you have direct access to the dirty side of the machine. You don't need to dismantle, to remove carafe, to remove the cup. When the machine is asking to empty the drip tray or the dump box, you just open the door. Inside there is the brewing group, your barista. This is the main invention of Saeco. It's thanks to this piece of engineering that you can, it collects the powder coming out from the grinder, it presses the powder and gives you the possibility to brew your coffee. This is removable for washing purposes without any tool, by the way. You take it out, you wash, and you put it in again. So you close it, and you can start again brewing your coffee specialties. All the machines, the new machines are belonging, you see here, Class A in terms of energy able. According to the Swiss regulation, it is the only one existing today for the coffee machines. All the machines are going in standby by themselves after 1 hour of no usage, or in Celsius you can set the time, and during the standby the energy consumption is less than 1 watt, and this is according to all the last regulations in terms of energy. Questions? Okay, we can to conclude, we can consider really Saeco a pioneer and timeless innovator for the fully automatic machines in the world. Okay, so if you have specific questions, if you want to try cappuccino, or if